Hi, my name is Nick, and I'm the owner of Bluejacket Shipcrafters. Today, we're going to talk about the contents of our kit of the Optimist dinghy. Now, this popular little pram was first designed in 1948 in Clearwater, Florida, and it was meant to be an ocean-going version of a soapbox derby car. It's simple for children to learn to sail in, and our kit is also designed for first-time modelers. In addition to the set of plans, in the kit you have an instruction manual, but you include pliers, tweezers, sandpaper, a pin vise, paints, glue, more glue, an X-Acto knife, a ruler, paintbrushes. Literally all the tools you need to make the kit are included. Now, the instruction manual also is very, very step-by-step with lots of photographs, drawings, and explanations, making it an easy first-time build. The kit includes laser-cut parts, an ample supply of miscellaneous wood, dowels, mounting base, rigging thread, sailcloth, and of course all of the fittings that you would need, even an oarlock. So that's our Optimist dinghy kit, a perfect first model. Thank you for watching, and subscribe on YouTube.